Daniel 238 in the Kare tradition. Uvakol di dayarin b'nei anashah chevat bara va'of shamaya yahav bidak vahash latak b'kol hon antahu resha di dahava. And that brings us to Saluk Sof Pasuk, which, if we remember, is a first level disjunctive accent. The other first level one is this Atnach. Now I want to take this video to spend a moment talking about the decisions the Masoretes made by placing these disjunctive accents, because it sets up an interpretive question in the first part of Daniel 238 of what's the focus? What is the important part here that's being drawn out? And the Masoretes make one decision, and perhaps we might make another if we disagree with their accent placement, because we recognize it's not the consonants, it's not what's preserved in written form, it's preserved in oral tradition until it was written down by the Masoretes, this separation of the pieces by disjunctive accents. Okay, so on either side of the Atnach, we have some level 2 disjunctive accents. So in the latter part here, here's a tifcha, and here's a zakef katon. Then that gets us to this atnach, right? And then before the atnach, we have this tifcha and this zakef katon. So here we have those second level disjunctive accents. And obviously, there's quite a bit of space here to the right of this zakef katon, and that's what we're going to get at in this next video. The third and fourth level disjunctive accents and how they shape our reading of the text. Okay, so here we have a third level, that's a pashta, and here we have a telisha gadolah, which is a fourth level accent. So for these separations, we're going to be dealing with everything to the right of this zakef katon here in the first part. The separations fall here and here. And what that means, as we'll see in the next video, is that there's a grouping together of all of these words. So, as we discuss this, let's remember the significance of the placement of these disjunctive accents. There's a chunking all the way up to the telisha gadolah that's made with that fourth level disjunctive accent, and then after that one, all the way to the third level pashta. So that has some relevance, and we'll see you in the next video to discuss what that relevance is.